Welcome back. Till now we implemented number of demos related to the virtualization infrastructure, and right now we are moving to implement the networking in our virtualization industry. Now here you can see that limited connectivity option available on my virtual machine networking, because when we created this virtual machine, we select host only option, due to which this virtual machine is limited to our to connect with our host machine or to connect with our physical machine. And because of this reason, this exclamation point showing over here that this machine right now is not capable to connect over the internet. And here you can see the option related to the networking. I just right click on the virtual machine, go to the settings button, and number of options will be available related to the connectivity. Here you can see that network connections. On the top side, we select the connected button and also select the connect at power on. And right now here you can see that host only, a private network shared to the host. That's why it's only connected to the host or physical machine. If I want to change the option, so I can definitely utilize the things, a custom specified virtual network, so I can click on it, and here you can see that number of options available. And these two virtual connections or virtual ethernet cards created after the installation of VMware workstation. We can also verify these virtual ethernet adapters behind the scene. Uh, Let me bring the network connectivity options in front of you. Here you can see that if I go to the Ethernet option and change adapter settings, so you will be find here that now here, let me more clear image of this virtualization world for you. Here you can see that uh, VMnet 1 generally exists over here, and VMnet 8. These are the virtual adapters which are set between your physical Ethernet card or physical LAN card and your virtual machine LAN card or Ethernet connectivity. And these Ethernet adapters or virtual Ethernet cards we can verify from here. Here you can see that VMnet 8 and VMnet 1, and these are exist over here, VMnet 8 and VMnet 1. So you can select here if you want to connect your host only option, so you can connect by default VMnet 1, and if you want to the NATPAD process, so you can do this for the connectivity to your external world or internet. And a more simple option here is available, which is the first option, bridge connected directly to the physical network. So if you want to connect your virtual machine directly to the physical network, so you can apply these settings from here, and other virtual adapter is working for this option as well. Now you can also verify this virtual adapter. Here you can see that where is here you can see that Ethernet ESXi switch is available over here for the purpose of connectivity. So there are number of options. We are going to bridge connected directly to the physical network and click on the OK button. As I done, here you can see that this Ethernet card disconnected, and within few beacons it will be connect directly here. Now here you can see that the status is completely changed, and now I'm connected to the external world or internet. Ask me later, and let me just ping to the google.com, and now it's working perfectly. So there are number of networking options you can apply inside the virtual machine for the purpose of connectivity. So within a few minutes this machine will be connected to the Google world. Here you can see that connected. So I hope that now you have number of options to connect your virtual machine with your physical machine or your host machine.